Hello students, let us continue exercise 10b. Now we discuss discount. Marked price. In a big shop or departmental store, every article is tagged with a card and its price is written on it. This is called as marked price of that article and denoted by MP. MP for marked price. Also known as printed price, also known as list price. List price items which are manufacturing in a factory are marked with a price according to the list supplied by the factory at which retailer is supposed to sell them. This price is known as list price of the article. Discount. In order to increase the sale or clear the old stock, sometimes the shopkeepers offer a certain percentage of rebate on the MP. This rebate is known as discount. An important fact, the discount is always knocked on the MP. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. This is your formula. Now, the marked price of a ceiling fan is rupees 1250 and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 6% on it. Find the selling price of the fan. Marked price rupees 1250 and discount is 6%. Discount is equal to 6% of MP. 6% of rupees 1250. Rupees 1250 multiplies 6 upon 100 and their calculation rupees 75. Discount is 75. We find selling price. Formula of selling price MP minus discount. Selling price equal to MP minus discount. Value of MP rupees 1250 minus 75, we get rupees 1175. This is the selling price of the fan, rupees 1175. Now next example second. A trader marks his goods at 40% above the cost price and allows a discount of 25%. What is his gain percent? Last cost price of an article rupees 100 and MP is 40% above than CP. So MP is 140. If CP is 100, so MP is 40% above. So we write 140. Discount 25% of MP. 25% of MP is rupees 140. Rupees 140 multiply 25 upon 100. 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20, that is rupees 35. SP equal to MP minus discount. MP rupees 140 minus 35, we get rupees 105. This is your cost price 100 and this is your selling price 105. Selling price greater than cost price, so we get profit. Profit equal to 105 minus 100, we get 5 rupees. Gain percent equal to 105 minus 100, that is 5%. Hence trader gains 5% profit. Now example third. A dealer purchased a washing machine for rupees 7660. He allows a discount of 12% on its MP and still gain 10%. Find the MP of the machine. CP of a machine equal to rupees 7660. Gain percent equal to 10%. Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent bracket close multiply CP upon 100. So we write 100 plus 10 110 multiply CP 7660 upon 100 and their calculation is 8426. Hence selling price of machine is 8426. But given discount is 12% and we find a marked price of the machine. So we write let MP equal to rupees X and discount equal to 12% of X. So we write X multiply 12 upon 100 and their calculation 3X upon 25. 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. 3 upon 25x. Selling price equal to MP minus discount. MP is x minus discount 3x upon 25. Take 25 LCM. We write 25x minus 3x upon 25. 25x minus 3x, that is 22x upon 25. SP is 8426. This is also SP. This is also required SP. This is your LC. Both SP equal. So we write 22x upon 25 is equal to 8426. X is equal to 8426 multiply reciprocal of 22 upon 25, 25 upon 22, and their calculation 9575. Hence, marked price of the machine is rupees 9575. How much percent above the CP should a shopkeeper mark his goods so that after allowing a discount 25% of the MP marked price, he gain 20%. Let cost price equal to rupees 100 and gain equal to 20%. So selling price is 120. Let MP equal to rupees x, discount equal to 25%. So we write 25% multiply x. This is your discount x upon 4. Selling price, formula of selling price, MP minus discount. MP is x minus discount x upon 4. We get 3x upon 4. This is also SP, and this is your required SP 120. Both SP equal, so we write x is equal to 120 multiply reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 3. 3 4 are 12, 300 40 multiply 4 160. MP equal to rupees 160. Hence marked price is 60% above than CP. CP is 60. Sorry, CP is 100 and MP is 160. So 60% is above than cost price, and marked price is 60% above than cost price. Now we discuss exercise 10B. Question number first. Marked price of a water cooler is 4650. The shopkeeper offers an off-season discount 18%. Find its selling price. MP of a water cooler equal to rupees 4650. Discount percent 18%. SP of a water cooler is equal to MP 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Rupees 4650 multiply 100 minus 18. We get 82 upon 100. 0 cancel out. 5 9 is 45, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2. 93 multiply 41, we get rupees 3813. This is your SP of water cooler. Now we discuss question number second. The price of a sweater was slashed from 960 to rupees 816 by a shopkeeper in the winter season. Find the rate of discount given by him. MP of a sweater, SP of a sweater, discount equal to MP minus SP. We get rupees 144. Discount percent equal to discount multiply 100 upon MP. Discount 144 multiply 100 upon 960. 0 cancel. 2 5 is 10. Sorry, 12 is 144. 12 8 is 96. 4 3 is 12. 4 2 is 8. 2 1 is 2. 2 5 is 10. 3 5 is 15%. Your discount is 15%. Do exercise 10B in your fair notebook. Thank you.